Okay, hello. Look at this. It's raining outside. Yes, it's raining outside. And it's the updated Mario collection thingy. Just with these stuff on that. Everything's still the same, just more plushes. And that's it, bye. Just kidding. It's really raining outside. I'm not joking. It's really raining outside. Trampoline's all wet. School's still on. And it's wet everywhere. It's wet every single way. And look at all this. Look at all of this. It's all waiting outside. You can see that stuff. If you're wondering why I didn't go to school, is that I don't know. It's still raining. Why is it raining? What? The rain stopped, I think. But yeah. And that's all just more plushes right there. Even though these are the stars of the show, of the videos and stuff. Cuphead, Mugman, Kirby, and the Roadrunner. I don't know, Nintendo Switch. And I'll give you a quick run through the Mario collection. So, yeah, there's Club Nintendo or something, I don't know. Nintendo Power. And then we have these, and then inside view. Okay, you guys already know this. I already know all this. So you have Luigi and the bomb. Yeah, Waluigi right there. You can see him. You have Yoshi, another Yoshi. And we have a Toad right there. And a Shy Guy. A Fire Luigi, Fire Mario. We have the Bullet Bill. We have normal Luigi and the Mario. And we have the Super Mario logo. Okay, there we go. Okay, so next up we have Super Mario Puzzle. That you guys already know all this. That the original Mario, Fire Mario, Super Mario Odyssey Mario, Star Mario, Mario Kart Mario, Raccoon Mario, that Mario right there, Bobblehead Mario, the Badge Mario, Mario Kart Mario again, and the watch that. Next up we have Luigi, normal Luigi, Fire Luigi, that Luigi, Mario Kart Luigi. Toad, 1-Up. We have that Luigi logo. We have 1-Up, Mushroom, Super Mushroom, Nintendo Power Mints, not even in there. Controller. Red Bomb, Goomba, Paragoomba, Yoshi, Daisy, Shy Guy, this block weird thingy, Super Mushroom, Bullet Bill, Red Turtle Shell, another block, a Mario puzzle. Wait, what? That's a Mario puzzle. That's Super Mario Checker Collector's Edition. That Yoshi, Donkey Kong. Okay, there. Next, we have the Super Nintendo Entertainment System for the Super Mario World and stuff. Next up, we have Nintendo Entertainment System. Those two come with controllers. So here's a Super Nintendo controller. Here it is. You can't really see it without the right button in the middle says start, and the left one says select. Next one, we have the Super Nintendo, and we have the Nintendo Entertainment System. And we have the D-pad, the select, start, A and B buttons. Yeah, this one just popped out. Let me just put it back in. Okay, back. And then this one just opens. Just put the game in there. Okay, like for example, Super Mario Bros. 3. Just put it in there. There, it powered it on. You can't see. Power. It just turns on. If the game crashes, you just press reset. Okay, next up we have this Mario Mushroom Light. Just manuals and stuff right here. That's a Mushroom Light. There's 3 more to collect. We have let me just get the box. Okay. So there's 3 more to collect. There's 4. We have the question block, the Super Mushroom. We have the Boo. Can you see that right there? The Boo. Right there. We have the Goomba. And you collect them all. Sweet. Put it right there. Okay, next up is the game section. Nothing changed about this stuff. All this. Okay. Next up we have the games. Nothing changed. So yeah, Super Mario Bros. 3, Yoshi, and the movies. Cartoon stuff, I don't know. Okay, so we have the Super Mario Bros. Super Show. Once Upon a Koopa. Rewrite that company. Next up we have another Super Mario Bros. Super Show. Air Koopa. Rewrite that company. Next up we have The Adventures of Super Mario Bros. 3. The Trouble with Koopas. Alright, next up we have these games right there. So, I don't care. So first up we have Minecraft. Why? Because of that. Super Mario Mashup and more. Okay, so this first one. Super Mario Odyssey, Mario Kart 8 Deluxe, and Mario Plus Rabbids Kingdom Battle. Alright, now those are the games. You have this bundle. Super Mario Bros. 2 include pre-installed on this console. Next up we have the Wii games. We have new Super Mario Bros. Wii, Super Mario Galaxy 2, I don't know where the picture went, Mario Kart Wii, Mario Party 8, and Super Mario All-Stars Limited Edition. Okay, that's all. Next up we have the DS games. We have Super Mario Bros., Mario Kart DS, Mario Party DS, Super Princess Peach. I don't know where we got that thing. But next up, Mario and Luigi Partners in Time. Next, Super Mario 64 DS, Mario and Sonic at the Olympic Games, Mario vs. Donkey Kong, Mario and Luigi, Bowser's Inside Story, Mario Kart DS. Okay, then we have these other DS games. First up, we start with Yoshi's Topsy Turvy for the Game Boy. Next up, Super Mario Advance. Next up, Mario Kart Super Circuit, Super Mario Bros. 3, the Game Boy Advance SP, the Nintendo DSi XL. You could get that anywhere except for this version right here. The Super Mario Bros. 25th Anniversary. Next up, we have Super Mario Maker for Nintendo 3DS. And then this one, Mario Kart 64. Then last one, the Mario controller for the Wii U and Wii. Okay, that's all for the Mario collection. Okay, next up to this aisle. Okay, we have Bowser, Mega Mario, these Mario and Luigi hats, and Mario backpack, this Mario blanket, Mario pillow sheet. We have this Bowser costume, Mario costume. We have this bed sheet and Mario hats. 3 Mario hats and then these, and I can just show you. I'm gonna show them right now. And then I'll make a part 2, like until my phone charges. Okay, bye. Bye. I'll get back to you later. Bye. Bye. Wait, what? Bye.